We are going inside the National Arts and Crafts Fair in SM Mega Mall. So this is an event by DTI in support with NCCA and also Senator Lauren Legarda. There are a lot of different products and wares that we'll be able to see, which is dito siya. So, ang gaganda naman siya, but I thought it would be bigger, but okay. Meron mga products from South Cotabato, lamps from Tawi-Tawi. This South Cotabato weavers. Oh wow. Ting-ting craft and souvenirs. You see? Tagolwanen in Malaybalay, Bukidnon. And Maranao, Lanao del Sur. So mostly from Visayas and Mindanao area, the arts and crafts that you will see. So halo-halo siya. This is the first day actually. So second day pa lang darating yung inauguration of the formal event. So I'm here actually to study, to check kung ano yung pwede makita, the certain products that are here, but it's more of livelihood project siya talaga. Actually naghanap ako ng tali ng buhok. So, ay, ang cute ng aso. may aso. Na-distract ako. Yung aso ang may Marinduque, Palawan. Oh, grabe. Ang lalayo nila, no? Pero, they all came here. And there's an exhibit here. Ewan ko lang, pwede na ba? Traditional.
Kami po ay nandito ngayon sa booth 273 at pwede din po kayo mag-inquire